that.
I'll swap to doctor.
Mwahaha. Okay.
Dog, I'm doctor. I haven't played doctor since the update. Oh, I want to make zombies.
2025. Oh, let's go. Okay, you want a checkpoint?
Alright, we got a dog, a doctor, a computer, and something else.
Okay.
Say that again?
You want checkpoint? Okay, the door. There's gonna be an open door.
I'm just at doctor's room.
Okay, go to the door that's locked. I want you to. You'll see a door that's locked.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, go towards it.
Depression.
Wait here or
no, go in.
Look at the bottom of the server list.
See if there's anybody in there.
I just see you.
I'm not really good at pushing MTF, so I'll probably just.
And Alpha.
I don't see anyone. Oh.
Yeah, they're coming.
Someone. They're
wait.
Room. We're going to doctor's room. They went to doctor's room.
On right now.
Nice.
I locked them. Go. I locked them in. Did you get him? Revive one.
Dude,
revive one.
How do I get out of this room? I hate this.
You can walk through doors. Just walk through
it.
You can walk through doors. I'm making a zombie.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's go.
My first child.
Fuck you, bitch!
Chill!
I just got no zombie! I thought it. No,
just...
why are you? Okay, the zombies are killing themselves, which is against the rules.
Okay, if you record it, I'll send it. Record it.
I don't have anything to record it with.
Do you just do Windows G?
Okay.
Windows. Oh, D class.
Larry.
Get him, dog!
I got like 3 of the guards immediately, that's good.
Oh, hey, AFK place.
Oh crap, gotta run. Let's go.
I'm a scientist.
He's going to fucking die.
Or he does.
Oh.
I was spectating you, I know.
Okay, 11 class D, 2 guards, 2 scientists.
I'm chasing a scientist down to, like...
The dog fucked you up, huh?
Just a little bit.
Larry, get him.
Yeah, mate.
Back to heavy, or should I kill some people in light?
Kill people in light.
Okay, cool.
Okay, Larry. You gotta click on him.
Sure. Left click to kill him.
I tried, but I wasn't close enough.
Depression?
I'm in light, I'm looking.
That is why I killed depression. That's why I killed death.
Oh, he just ran into the thing. That's great.
Hey, Morp, is there anyone in Node 12?
I knew you were gonna try it.
Or 914?
There's nothing. You're gonna
Wait, I'm
shoot
trying to
me
get this
anyway.
decoy in a Tesla. Sorry.
My god, I wasn't actually gonna murder you, my god.
I'll look around heavy. Not heavy,
There's
light
the
tomorrow.
dog. I sent the dog down the elevator. That's why I wasn't ready.
I'll go. Okay, I can go down there now. Just.
I didn't expect you to pull out an MP7 there.
Yeah, can you check if anyone's in 012 or
We gotta go
914?
back with that car.
914 empty. Oh, 12's empty too. I'd go up.
Okay,
Go
cool.
back up to heavy. There's a lot of class D and heavy. Yeah, go. Yeah, there's tons of class D.
Once I find an exit, I'll come up. GR18.
Okay, go up. Go up
I
B.
keep-
Go up B.
I can't find either of the elevator. Go back and try to find them.
Try to go up. Find B if you can.
Kill everyone.
Through VT? No. Found D class spawn. Okay, where
I found one.
the exits?
Oh, they're
Yeah,
escaping.
Oh, okay. I'll try to find the.
They're all in 106 room. They're gonna kill you, 106. You're sorry, 106.
Larry, go back to your room.
Sorry, yeah, go back to your room.
Why?
I'm being attacked in 106, guys. I really need your help here. Yep.
Oh no. Okay, I'm coming. I found elevator A.
SCP-106 successfully terminated. Termination task
I could really use your help here.
You just. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. Where is it?
Okay, it's by Nuke. If you can find Nuke.
Okay, I'll try to find Nuke. I'm at server.
Wait, dog.
I'm just so, like, you know.
I just heard you
Make
bite
some
somebody.
zombies. Need to make some zombies, but I haven't yet.
Okay.
Alright, it's gonna go. Dog.
Sorry,
No,
I
come
don't
back
know
here,
where
dog.
Nuke is.
The other one is old.
Dog, okay, go into 106's room, quick! This room. You see that room? Go in there. There's a panel. Press the red button on it. Press the red button on it. Thank you. Okay, now, dog. No, dog. I know we're allotted back into 106's room.
Oh, that one's...
There's a lot of D classes.
Oh no. Oh.
Okay, dog.
I'm coming.
Yeah, I'm gonna open that door. Go up to that door.
Oh, I found
open it.
Nuke room. I found Nuke room.
Okay.
I
Get dog.
trusted.
Making
I
a
was
zombie,
with
then I'll
another
try to find
decoy, and I was like,
Larry's
okay,
room.
I can just.
Okay, go into
stop
Nuke.
here, we
Okay.
can become-
Larry's
Yes.
literally go into that
Yeah.
intersection.
Oh, I
You're
understand
sitting.
He
you
pulls
guys
out
are
and
so fucking hard.
Yeah, I'm in
Go into that room. That in here.
Oh.
Yes. Good. Yeah, let's go.
I'll be the bouncer. I'll make sure. Oh, they're also on the right side, by the way.
Who cares about...
I locked the door. They're stuck in here.
He threw the grenade off the edge.
I'm being attacked and reversed. Oh, my luck.
I whacked. He's infected. That says a med kit. Which I don't think he does.
There goes the body. Okay, I'm coming.
Someone
Where
went
are you getting
down to. He went
attacked?
down.
Servers?
He went down to. Someone went
Yeah,
down
go-
to Warhead.
Yeah. Okay, go to servers.
Alright.
Okay, dog. I'm gonna let you out.
Okay,
Just give me
I'm
a second.
pretty sure I'm close to it, so I'll try to find it.
There you go, dog. Go through.
Oh
Now's your
shit!
chance.
There he is.
Missed that guy. Okay,
Dog.
you get him, zombie. I'll try to find servers.
Okay. Yeah. Go through your room. Okay. Go in there. I can close the door.
He went down to light.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I locked it. You go in. Just go in. You can massacre.
Oh, he's in that spot.
Oh, why am I missing so many? Okay, can I make this dude?
They're locked in. Get him.
Oh,
They're locked in.
I started making a zombie, but I didn't get him in time. There it is. Oh,
They threw a grenade.
What? Oh, sorry.
I go back towards him. Continue going towards him.
I'm chasing.
Dot. He's trying to juke.
Approach night.
There.
Okay, where's his body? Wait, where'd his body go? What?
I don't know. Just click on him. Oh my gosh, Dot. You just committed a massacre.
This is
Okay.
priority cam. I will always have the cat cam open.
Wait,
Just trying-
it's
just
already
trying to
decayed.
Hey,
Okay.
hey,
No
Dot,
problem,
get out
guy.
there. I closed the
Okay,
door and locked
who, how many of each class,
See, I'm still like the cat because I would like to.
I can track him.
how many of each class are left?
it. 1 D class. 4 MTF.
And
Get him. I got the door. You just get him.
I'm messing up these controls, what the hell?
Destroyed.
Wait, oh, he's tranked, okay, cool.
Okay, 2 MTF in there. Get him.
Then don't watch it. Don't watch it.
One trying to escape. Get him. There. Okay, 1 MTF, 1 Class D. Go to
Making him a
939. 939, I'm being attacked in 939.
Yeah, dog, go to your room. I'm making him a zombie. Okay.
I'm access tier 4 now.
Do you have any idea where the D-boy is or no?
Thank you. No, but I know it couldn't have been one of those MTFs, so the MTF's somewhere in heavy.
Imposter all along. Maybe you were the bad guy.
I'm trying to discuss.
Oh, checkpoint, MTF's in
Oh wait, her
checkpoint.
checkpoint.
Should be shameful.
Yeah, I locked him.
I'm getting
Oh,
him.
he's screwed. He threw a flash.
He threw a Oh,
Okay.
that's a flash.
Okay, get him. Yeah, I have enough power to lock these doors for a while.
I got him. Okay.
Got 1 class D remains.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, we got a couple zombies. Okay. There's a way for computers, Doc, where you just like find a random person.
Bro,
It's
I
so
keep popping
broken,
off at
honestly.
079.
Just waiting for them to debug.
Oh yeah, maybe he's in. Yeah,
Literally
go
just
check his
waiting.
office.
I'm waiting.
Oh
for
wait,
them to
he's
get
in
ready.
Doctor's room?
Oh yeah, he is in 049 room. Yeah, get him. He's in
I
049
know.
room.
I was spectating you, Nimnobs.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm closing the doors. Yeah, dog.
He does have a gun.
He's using the.
Hat. Good door.
I don't know. Did you guys call up the
yeah,
elevator? 'Cause
dog,
then he's
you
anyway.
can see him if he's using the hat.
Don't worry.
No, dog, you stay down or
Alright, don't listen. Dog.
MTF. No, he lost the cat.
come back down and we can camp checkpoint.
Oh no, guys, he's gonna kill me. Oh, I'm dead.
Get him. There's 2 of you and a dog.
No, please kill me. Oh no, if I have to kill this man. Oh, I just killed
Nice.
him.
Did you get him? Okay, cool.
Okay, go up. Yeah, okay, now it's just those MTF.